batch is going to express his forward. So I call on the stage Prashant Sule to his performance.
Good evening to all. My name is Prashant Babal Sule, LPSI chess number 106. Today I am here not to deliver a speech but to share my humble experience. I had been trying for this post for more than 3 years before getting selected. Seeing my name in the shortlist was a dream come true. I had already started behaving like an officer, using branded clothes and double-style Ray-Ban glasses. I was on cloud 9, but my dream was short-lived because I came here in Maharashtra Police Academy for training. Schedule of the training was so tight. Heavy workout morning session was followed by fast breakfast and then really fast bathing. After that, law lectures. In the afternoon, parade and weapon drill with the lightest shoes called DMS. Those weapons were not enough. We were handed over the additional weapons called bucket and broom. With that weapons, we cleaned surrounding and water plant. Singham in me was brutally killed. Indoor time was the most loving part of the day. All our ADs and law instructors taught us beautifully. We thought only indoor lectures are useful and essential while performing our duty. But after a few days, we realized the outdoor training has only changed us for better. Outdoor training has only changed us for better. Outdoor training has taught us respect, command and control. Working has made us humble and developed dignity for laborers. I am grateful and thankful to Director Sir for maintaining strict environment that has made us stronger, as well as for arranging guest lectures that has enriched us in many ways. I particularly recollect the guest lectures of Arun Babale Sir. In that lecture, I realized we can solve complicated cases without using third degree. Singham or double style policing is not right. It is neither approved by our constitution nor court of law, neither by our police officers. The current plight of the much celebrated encounter specialist is a case in point. Another experience I recollect is the jungle camp, which tested our mental and physical toughness. I remember Sir saying, even your muscles will remember this hard training and will keep you prepared for the future tough conditions. On getting selected for this post, I thought I reached my destination. I had overcome all my struggles, but at the end of the training, I realized the journey has just begun. The struggle has just started. Everyone has set their eyes on in anticipation. They are waiting to see Bajaj Sir's batch waiting to perform. But I'm sure this batch will perform well. How well? Let us time answer this question. As I once again reflect on the past 9 months training, boxing champion Muhammad Ali's words ring in my ears. I hated every minute of the training, but I said, don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of your life as a champion.